The dog, scene one, take one, action! The dog, it's the dog, today. The dog bit me, shameful. Yes, the dog. Now the dog's a problem. It's always barking, and I can't stand the barking. It's not too bad. My dear boy, have you got problems with the dog? Yes, the dog is mad. Mad dog. Hot dog. Oh, old fruit. My dear chap, it's simply amazing. Have you got problems with the dog? I have. Can you hear the dog? Dog the bounty hunter. I know. Now then, what you might see is doggy style. That's what dogs do a lot. And I'm the bulldog dog's bollocks, and I have problems with my dog. Now then, the dog keeps barking. Barking all day long, it's driving me mad. It's simply amazing. Absolutely super. I gave the dog a bone. Barking mad. Old fruit, dear chap. Dog's bollocks. Rough as a dog. Dog the bounty hunter, doggy style. Top dog. And I'm top dog. I like the bone, and I like to have old fruit, dear chap, barking mad, hot dog, mad dog. But what you find is, where a dog's concerned, you can fall in love with a dog, because dogs you can fall in love with. My problem is, I keep falling in dog shit, and I'm sick of it oozing between my toes. Old fruit, dog shit squirting between your toes. So I found a solution. I'm not happy with the smell of dog shit, and I've decided to come across the most amazing solution. My dear boy, I will demonstrate to you the barking mad theory to loving dog shit.
So this is it. Every time your doggy does a poo-poo, make sure that you put it in a poo-poo bag. And because I keep stepping in my doggy poo-poo and it squirts between my toes, because my flip-flop falls off and my toes go on the dog poo and it goes all between my toes. And before the original, all the rest of it stuff, when I used to step in dog shit, it used to smell and the flies would fly around and I could see it between my toes. But now I've got this little poopy bag with the doggy poo-poo in it, and I used to be disgusted by the smell of it. But the solution to the smelling and oozing of dog shit between your toes is to eat it. Yeah, to eat the shit. And now I love the doggy. I love the doggy poo, and I eat it all the time. I absolutely adore it. So I don't even mind the smell anymore. So, doggy poo haters. Doggy poo haters, the best thing to do is, once you filled your doggy bag up, I'm addicted. I used to hate doggy poo. And now I absolutely fucking love it. So tubers. Tubers, love your doggy. doggy poo. And your doggy forever and ever. Goodbye. I love my doggy poo. I love it so much. I love my... I know. I love my doggy's poo. It makes me laugh. It makes me laugh so much. Oh, there's a little bit by there. I'm going to get this bit. It's so lovely. You must be so happy. You must be so happy when you eat your doggy poo.